Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying you have a Copilot-enabled Microsoft 365 license and that admin settings allow Copilot. Once done, sign in with your work or school account so the app can access your files and context. Next, open the Copilot app from the Microsoft 365 launcher or the desktop shortcut. This immediately loads your personalized workspace. Make sure to grant any requested permissions when prompted, because Copilot needs access to documents, calendar, and Teams history to provide accurate, contextual help. Once Copilot is open, give it context. Pick the scope, an email, document, slide deck, or Teams thread, so results stay relevant. Then tell Copilot your goal, audience, desired tone, and any constraints. This ensures outputs fit your needs. Use clear prompts and follow-up commands to iterate. Ask for drafts, edits, or concise summaries and request source highlights when needed. If a response is off, refine the prompt with examples or specify sections to focus on. This feedback loop produces practical, usable results. Finish by reviewing Copilot's suggestions carefully. Accept edits or request targeted revisions to match your voice and verify facts. Once satisfied, export the output to Word, PowerPoint, or Outlook, or copy it into your workflow. Make sure to run a final accuracy and style check before sharing. If Copilot behaves oddly, reprompt with clearer instructions, confirm app permissions and document access, and then sign out and sign back in. This often resolves synchronization or permission-related errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.